Remember the time when the Indian soap operas had crashed all the metric of popularity? This was because apart from all the melodrama, it was a great representative of different cultures. For example, Kasauti Zindagi Ki gave us a glimpse of Bengali culture, particularly the way it celebrated Durga Puja, integrating the latest fashion. Women were in awe of Prerna whenever she appeared in a Bengali sari and jewelry. Durga Puja pays homage to goddess Durga. It is celebrated in the Indian states of West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Tripura. For Bengalis, it is the most significant. Bengalis all around the world wait for this very grand 4-day festival with their full hearts. Buying new clothes is an essential part of this festival. Girls love to get a traditional look during these 4 days of puja. The saris can best reveal the traditional Bengali look. Apart from the beautiful saris, they don various red bindis. Today, the popularities of these saris and bindis are increasing with each passing year. Bengali saris and red bindi worn on Durga Puja. The history. The traditional Gorod saris, heavy gold jewelry and the red oversized bindi are very symbolic of Bengali women. Throughout centuries, saris is considered as a symbol of reverence and devotion towards goddess Durga. The Lal Pari sari is considered the most prominent one for this. The white color signifies purity, patience and the innocence of womanhood. The red color signifies fertility, auspiciousness, new beginnings and desirability. Bengali women wear different styles of this sari during this festival. Historically, bindi is considered to be derived from the Sanskrit word bindu. Bindu means the center of the cosmos. The universe had emerged from Bindu. Due to these historical significances, the popularity of this outfit is still intact. The rituals. Bengalis take great pride in preserving and representing their culture. The saris are meant for offering to the goddess. There are 4 saris offering to the goddess, one for each day. The women also follow the same ritual. Dhakai Jamdani is the sari which is worn by the ladies. Dhakai, as the name suggests, is a handloom-made sari from Dhaka. The significance of this sari is due to its weaving. The other saris which are offered are all handloom saris, the indigenous textile of India. Versatility and celebrity influence. Now there are largely 7 types of saris worn during this festival. Celebrities like Sushmita Sen, Rani Mukherjee, Bipasha Basu, Moni Roy grace themselves with these saris each year. They truly represent their culture on a global scale with style. Similarly, oversized red bindis are the most popular ones among women. Who can forget the iconic Dola Re Dola song from the film Devdas? Also, Jacqueline Fernandez in her song Genda Fool broke the internet. The saris and bindis are a perfect blend of the traditional and modern. Hence, they are a #1 choice for women who value traditions or are simply a sucker for fashion and style.